Our prototype is the solar-powered earthquake monitoring alarm system. It is an alarm that will send signal whenever there's an earthquake. We have SMS2 that will notify them that there's an earthquake. In our prototype, we have 6 parts. They are the vibration sensor, GSM module, buzzer, solar panel, LCD, and most importantly, the Arduino. The vibration sensor serves as the detector of vibration. GSM module is the part where it will notify the users when there's a sense of vibration. The buzzer gives the sound and alarm. It's an indicator that there's an earthquake. The LCD displays the information that comes from the Arduino. It is powered by 5 volts solar panel, which is a renewable energy, and the Arduino, which is the brain of our prototype. So how does our prototype work? The vibration sensor will act as simply detecting the vibration. It will send signal to Arduino, then to LCD to display the vibration intensity. If there's a vibration intensity higher than the normal, the buzzer will turn on as an alarm with LED. With the power of programming, the Arduino will send SMS to users that an earthquake is detected. So this is a raw video of our prototype.